Hello, my name is Metin Arıdaşır. This is 67th part of explanation of my theory. I have told you before there are different size electron motion forms, different radiuses, different wavelengths, different frequencies, different masses, different momentum. For all at rest, different sized electron motion forms. At rest meaning not relocating, but in fact they are always going on cycling, you know, from my former videos. My momentum divided by mass constancy law. According to my theory and my formulas, for all kind of different electron motion form, all different size electron motion forms, this law is valid. But now I will tell you implicit inner relations. With my one of main constant linear velocity of all of first cycles n equal 1, linear velocity of all different sizes, all different radiuses, electron motion forms, same value. Whether these electron motion forms that are different size, whether they are not in motion or they are in motion, all of different radiuses, electron motion forms, linear velocities are constant and same according to my theory and my formulas. This is determinative for this. I hope you see. My linear velocity, Vg, 1,884,000 km per second constant is determinative for these results. Okay. What are these results? I have now, for instance, two different sized electron motion forms. One of radius or wavelength is 91.155 nanometer wavelength electron. Another one, lambda and normal lambda wavelength radius is 75 nanometer wavelength electron. I have computed that when I divide two of that, momentum divided by mass, for each cases, P divided by M is same result. Speed of light, 30,000 km per second, 30,000 km per second. Okay, this is constant. Okay, here, I hope you see. Yes. I put forth this constancy law for all different sized radius electron motion forms. Okay. According to my theory and my formulas here, linear velocity is constant 1,884,000 km per second for all different sized radius electron motion forms. It is independent of different sized frequencies and different sized angular frequencies. Independent of. This is constant that I put forth, and this is determinative for this law that I put forth. Now, what is inner relation? Here. Yes. Remember from my former videos. This is mass hidden in my energy formulas. This is momentum formula hidden inside of my another energy formula. Two of that give us same results. Okay, here, remember. Finally, eventually, now, be careful now. Here, I hope you see. Okay. Remember my mass formula. Here, this is mass. Then, reduced Planck constant is h divided by 2 pi. Now in accepted physics it is known for not point for orbital motion. But don't forget, our electron motion forms, intrinsic motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter as a motion sphere, okay? One cycle, then two cycle for free electron motion forms. If it is bounded, single cycle, n equal always 1. But now it is not bounded, but it's at rest and it's at its first cycle. Yes. When I put forth this formula, h divided by 2 pi, okay, this is inner relation. Implicit, my constant linear velocity 1,884,000 km per second is implicit inside of my formula. Then, because of this, as you see, cancel 2 pi, and we see this result, okay, as an iceberg. But under the sea and deep side, this is implicit and determinative linear velocity of first cycle. Then that point is P equal to M, that point's point mass, or that point's point mass is same. Okay. Here, this M multiplied by linear velocity, then this is the result. Notice that, carefully look at that. This evening, I want to explain some inner relations inside of my formulas as a riddle, nature's riddle. Okay? Interquint relations, connections. Yes. Have a good evening. See you later.